Hello, I am MD Mutasaddiqur Rahman. My matrix number is S2009208. Today, I am describing a presentation about Spotify. I'm starting with introduction of Spotify. Spotify is a Swedish-based audio streaming and media services provider launched in October 2008. The platform is owned by Spotify AB, a publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange since 2018 through its holding company Spotify Technology SA. Spotify's global headquarters are in Stockholm, Sweden. It is a search engine and app for music. It has over 60 million songs around the world, and this Spotify offers digital copyright restricted recorded music and podcasts, including more than 60 million songs from record labels and media companies. As a freemium service, basic features are free with advertisements and limited controls, while additional features such as offline listening and commercial free listening are offered via paid subscriptions. Users can search for music based on artist, album, or genre and can create, edit, and share playlists. Spotify is available in most of Europe and the Americas, Oceania, and parts of Africa and Asia, and on most modern devices including Windows, Mac OS, Linux computer, iOS, Android smartphones, tablets, and AI-enabled smart speakers such as Amazon Alexa. As of October 2020, the platform has 320 million monthly active users, including 144 million paying subscribers. How does Spotify change the way of consumer use music? Spotify offers high quality music and it's the best search engine for music, where people can search anything for their hobby, for their free time. They can search their preferred songs from Spotify, and the songs are without interruption, which is very innovative, because music is a thing where people learn to enjoy themselves. If we offer songs with streaming without any interruption, then it's the best way to use music. And without the advertisement, the Spotify has reached its high level, and it's an innovative idea for our digital world. And also, moreover, ocean of music in one platform. We can find 60 million songs in one platform, one website, or one app. So that's how Spotify changed the way of consumer use music. Before Spotify, people used to buy one by one song or buy a whole album with much more money. But after the Spotify, people can easily stream the music they like from any kind of artist with just pay for monthly or pay for yearly. So it's it's the reason Spotify changed the world of consuming the music. Advantages of Spotify. Spotify is one of the most popular music streaming services. With it, you can play tracks from the web instead of your personal hard drive or phone. Users of the service simply need to register to have access to one of the biggest ever collection of music. It is compatible, easy to use. So far, Spotify has been occupied significant proportion of music market with up to about 100 million premium subscribers worldwide. It offers free trial for 30 days to check whether it's compatible for the person who buys, or whether he likes it or not. So they give free trial to try first time, to try for the first time, so that consumer can decide themselves. And Spotify offers offline usage. You can download the songs and put it in your playlist, and you can use offline. And you can also download music and album alongside with everything. You can customize your own playlist. You can get high quality music out of it. And the app, mostly the app is so optimized in iOS and also in Android. The app and the website offers free songs without any kind of buffering or any kind of streaming problems in this platform. What makes Spotify different? If you have the same problem yet still cannot decide, the following is for you. Pros of Spotify. It's easy to use. To get started with Spotify, all we have to do is just register. Register a free account. Initially, the service was by invitation only to help the company control demand for its product. By default, Spotify client runs at 160 kbps on desktop for free listeners. Premium allows you to up this to 320 kbps, which is about the best compression rate we will ever notice. Sharing music experience. Listening on Spotify can be social experience. If we have connected Spotify to our Facebook account, then friends, family will be able to see what I am listening, and we can share our favorite songs with them. Also invite to our family plan, as well as sharing the songs or the artist. So these are the things. Spotify make several changes in music industry. The organization, structure and management of Spotify. The Spotify is a world-class organization, and it has a world-famous organizational structure, which is between tribes, Squad B, Squad C, Squad A. The Spotify was founded in 2008. Spotify rapidly expanded to a company that currently employs 2,600 employees worldwide. We get the unique opportunity to visit the headquarters in Stockholm to see what it's like to work for the company that is revolutionizing the music industry. Spotify is known across the globe for its unique organizational structure. Spotify uses squads, tribes, alliances, and guilds to run its business. As we have probably never heard of this before, neither had anyone, let's break down how the Spotify works. The Spotify works without any kind of manager. They work as a team. The basic unit of a development team at Spotify is called a squad. A squad is similar to a Scrum team composed of 6 to 14 people or 6 to 12 people sometimes, and designed to feel like a mini startup. They sit together and they have all the skills and tools needed to design, develop, test, and release to production. They are a self-organizing team and decide their own way of working. Some use Scrum sprints, some use Kanban, some use a mix of these approaches, and some build their own ideal way of working. Each squad has a long-term mission and takes responsibilities for different parts of the user experience, because each squad sticks with one mission and one part of the product for a long time, and they can become really experts in that area. So they work as a team and they have growth mindset up. They just want that Spotify should grow more, and they can develop their software. However, guidelines in how Spotify tracks the development of the employees. First of all, they don't like heavy tooling, so they intend not to use them. There is no performance management or anything similar. To maintain the growth mindset, they encourage regular feedback moments for everyone in the company. That is how Spotify organized and highly functional company. How does Spotify thrive without traditional managers? Spotify has no managers, but they have succeeding moving consumers away from buying music and instead moving them towards the model of renting the music they enjoy for a monthly fee. Still, Spotify has no managers. In order to work as efficiently as possible, Spotify have adopted a management and organizational structure based upon squads, chapters, tribes, and guilds. Spotify do not have manager and instead work together to ensure the overall problem is solved. These small teams work in a way that is similar to a small startup business. Tribes are groups of a squad that work in similar areas. Spotify aims to discourage squads and tribes being dependent on one another so that change can happen as quickly as possible. In order to be able to manage the staff and structure throughout the organization, Spotify utilizes what they term chapters. These chapters are a collection of people who have similar skills but who work in various squads. It could make a conference to gather bad performing team or people to talk about their problem. Also, Spotify is self-managed. Everyone is equal in Spotify. Everyone can share their own opinion. All are autonomy and all are teamworks. They are united, and I think it has big effective structural value because it is united and it has a great team effort, so that Spotify can work as a group of friends. They can share their own problem and they can tell one another their problem, so that they can work as a team and work as a successful company. That is how Spotify thrive without traditional managers.
Trip model management definition and overview. What is Trip model management. Trip model management is part of an angel scaling strategy first used to help Spotify's growing development department. The approach involves breaking energy teams into autonomous squads that work together on specific aspects of the product. Several squads working in the same business area, search technology, for example, are then grouped into a larger team called a trip. What are the main components of trip model management? It means Spotify's trip engine model includes several components, including 4 functions. Number 1, squad. A squad is the smallest unit of development in a trip model. Squads consist of a group of energies who work closely together on a specific area of the product. They are designed to be autonomous teams that can have broad business objectives and can release products to the market whenever they are ready. Number 2, trip. A trip is a collection of squads grouped by a common business focus. For example, a trip for Spotify might include a group of squads working on a mobile version of the music player. Number 3, chapter. A chapter is a small group of developers within a trip but who work across different squads. These are often developers who have similar skills but who are using them to work on slightly different aspects of the product. The last, Git. While chapters are always confined to a single trip, a Git is a broader community that can include members in multiple trips. What unites the members of a Git is an interest in sharing knowledge, best practice, and tools. What are the benefits of the trip model? I think the trip model can help a growing organization's development autonomy. Concentrate expertise where it is most valuable and speed product development. By rolling out a trip engine model, a product organizations can realize several benefits, such as shortened time to product release and updates, or improved domain expertise in each area of the product, and minimize dependencies, and reduction of unnecessary process, or increased transparency and accountability, and enhance the opportunities for innovation and create problem solving. Thank you.
Now, we would like to discuss the question following the case application 1, managing without manager. The first question is, who undertake management at Spotify? And my answer is everyone undertake management at Spotify. It is because they had autonomy in management and they are self-managed.
Hello everyone, my name is Tian Jiaming. So today I will discuss the question, how could Spotify manage poor performing individuals or team? An individual performance is closely related to their ability and motivation. To manage poor performing individuals, Spotify need to enhance employees' ability and improve their motivation. First of all, Spotify can provide training for the employees. Spotify can provide on-the-job training and off-the-job training for the employees. On-the-job training is a type of training that provided in the workplace, while off-the-job training is conducted outside company in a training center. Through this training, employees can continuously improve their skills. Employees have the ability to work their job efficiently and effectively. Besides, motivation can change employees' attitude and performance on their jobs. First, financial rewards is one of the most effective ways to increase employees' motivation. For instance, Spotify can provide perfect attendance award, incentive, year-end bonus, and increasing wages for the good performance employees. Employees will feel the sense of being valued and satisfied with the company. Employees put full focus on their work. Other than that, Spotify can provide a positive workplace environment to motivate employees. Spotify must build a strong team spirit. Employees can support each other and solve the problems together. Employees can voice out their ideas and learn from each other. They will work with happiness and willing to work every day. So, do you think this is a problem at Spotify? Why or why not? In my opinion, I think this is not a problem at Spotify. Trust is very important in work. Transparency in the job can ensure that everyone receives same information and have an effective communication with each other. So, everyone has the opportunity to express their own opinion for the problems. This can reduce misunderstanding between each other. Employees can improve their work efficiency. That's all for me for today. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sammy, and now I'm going to discuss about are there any similarities to traditional management at Spotify? My answer is yes, there are some similarities. The first one, decision-making approach is applied in Spotify management. Based on the evidence in the case application, each tribe, like the individual squads, is able to work autonomously with very little traditional management taking place. The squads in a tribe are sitting right next to each other, and this promotes collaboration between the squads. Autonomy enables the tribes free from hierarchical rigidities, and this gives them motivation. For example, they have completely changed the application structure to allow each squad to update the functionalities approaching to a new advancement without consulting other teams. They also allow teams to pick their own development tools and modify other teams' code. This is similar to the traditional management, as the employees play decision-making role in the organization. They are given autonomy and authority to make appropriate decisions, improving the Spotify application. In addition, the second similarity is the management level theory is involved in Spotify management. Based on the evidence in the case application, it is within these chapters that we see more of a link to traditional management theory with clearer lines of management and responsibility for staff members, their development, pay, and progression. The chapter lead plays a role as a line manager for his chapter members. He looks after people with the same skill set across different squads, with all the traditional responsibilities such as developing people and setting salaries. Under the guidance of a chapter lead, each chapter has a meeting regularly to discuss their area of expertise and their specific challenges. This is similar to the traditional management because the management level theory is used in different perspectives by the chapter lead. However, the difference is the chapter lead is also a part of a squad and contribute daily to the work.
The last question is, do you think that this approach to management will be effective within another company? In my opinion, I think yes. Because this way to management can save the time. For example, the process or company are reduced to minimum because there are less formal process and it only focus on the work of organizing. They also have the authority to take decisions on their own to solve the problem. They do not need to wait the decision from the manager. Therefore, the problem can be solved faster. The employee also can work closely together in one shared space with adjustable desks and it is easy access to each other. It can save the time because they can make a discussion every time. Therefore, the company will be more effective. The second reason is company can become more creative by using this approach to management. Because it encourages creativity by trusting people to complete the work on their own. The employee can free and flexibility to communicate and give any idea or opinion that believe will help to intensify the product. They can be more available in terms to make a change to the product. Therefore, the company can produce more creative products that will be easier and more convenient for customers to use. Compared to the traditional management, the employee just follow and waiting the order from the manager. The last reason is minimum control. Because it encourages the autonomy in the management. Everyone has authority in the company. It can make sure that coordination and connectivity happen amongst those teams without relying on controlling manager. Autonomy is more fun and motivating. The motivation can increase the employee productivity and improve the engagement of workers. Therefore, they will be more active in the company development by giving more opinions. That's all for our today's presentation. Thank you for your attention.